All right, class, here we go. We're ready to start our last unit in the course, unit number 5. So we've got a 3-day unit going on here. We got today, June the 18th, which is Thursday. We've got Friday, June the 19th, which is lesson 2. And then we'll wrap up unit 5 with lesson 3 next Monday, the 22nd. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have going on for lesson number 1. We're ready to shift our focus from the government and the amendments and the rights and all that stuff. We want to look at how we, the people, can participate in this process. Remember, this is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. So we're going to be looking at ways in which we can interact with the government, how we can influence the government, how can we become part of the government, okay? So we're looking at political parties first. So we've got 2 readings here, and then we've got a video about the 2-party system in our country, okay? Answer the following questions about political parties and what they do right here. Take a few moments to go through this 5-slide Google presentation on party organization. And then take a look at the minor parties. We have more than just the 2 big parties here in the United States, the Republicans and Democrats. There are many, many, many other smaller minor parties, okay? So watch that, do the following assignment right here, and then you're ready to take Unit 5, Lesson 1 quiz, and you are done for the day. Outstanding job. We'll see you later.